We are at a house today and we're doing, this is what we call punch out day. And it's not that kind of punch out. We're punching out a list. The list is usually about as long as my arm. It consists of things like this: your AC vents getting reinstalled because they came out, we had to do drywall. Kick plates being put on your new cabinets. Also handles being put on your new cabinets. Let's put it out this way. Punch out also goes for plumbers, electricians, and AC guys. I'll just give you an idea what the plumbers do like on their punch out day. Everything's set. All the sinks and vanities and all those things are set. They're gonna come in and they're gonna do trim out. That trimming out is part of the punch out. They're gonna put the drains to the main pipes that are going out of your house. They're gonna trim it out and put all what I like to call the jewelry on the house, the bling, the stuff that's like either gold, silver, brushed nickel, yada yada, you know, in your showers, your toilets, any of those things. Like when that's done, you can consider your house operable. Now, a punch out for the contractor, and you got to keep this in mind, goes from taking care of all that and making sure that's all done, and his responsibility or her responsibility as a contractor would be to make sure all the finishes are good, wood's painted, caulked, things are trimmed out the way they should be, and there's no transitional problems like with floors. Like you got all the floors done, he needs to make sure, or she needs to make sure, that there are transitions into bathrooms that are covering a crack between the wood floor and the tile. He needs to make sure all his trim is caulked and primed and painted and just looking just as good as that fancy looking plumbing.